Hi, I am Dr. Kantesh. In this session, we will understand how EMI for loan is calculated and also how to prepare EMI schedule. We are all interested in knowing how EMI is calculated for our loan, any loan for that matter of fact. It may be vehicle loan or it may be personal loan or it may be housing loan. Today in this session, I'll show you using Excel how you can do that, right? I have taken a hypothetical example here. The loan amount is 10 lakh rupees and the interest rate for this loan is 10% per annum. When we convert this into a monthly interest, so it becomes 0.833%. The time period of this loan is 5 years. In terms of months, it is 60 months, right? And for this loan, we will calculate what is EMI, right? So we have here in Excel function that is PMT. Using this, I'll show you how you can calculate EMI, that is equated monthly installment. Just double click on this. I'll just open this dialog box. It will ask three important things. So one is what is loan amount and what is the interest rate and also the time period it will ask. So that we have to key in. The rate it asks, so you can give here annual rate and then divide it by 12 months, or you can just give monthly rate. So monthly rate here it is 0.833%. So that I have taken. And the number of period is in the same way. Number of period you can just select 5, then you have to multiply this to 12, like this you select this cell and multiply 12. You can do like this, or you can directly put here the 60 months, whatever it is. And the last important parameter that we have to key in here is loan amount. So that is present value. This amount is how much? 10 lakh. So this cell I am choosing here. But for this, I'm just putting a minus sign. Otherwise, we will get EMI in minus. So just now click OK. You will get what is EMI for this particular loan. So EMI is how much? 21,247 for the loan of 10 lakh rupees, where the interest rate is 10% per annum, and the time period of the loan is 5 years. So this is how we calculate EMI, right? Then I'll show you how to prepare a EMI schedule. So this schedule will tell us that how much interest we are paying each month, how much principal we are repaying each month, and also it will give us the loan amount in the beginning of the month and at the end of the month. So it is like a tracker that where exactly we are heading in this particular loan, right? So 60 months, I'll just take here 60 months. So it's a 60 months loan, so that I'm just taking 60 months here. Then what is the loan amount here? The loan amount is this 10 lakh rupees is the loan amount. So EMI also we have calculated. So EMI is 21,247. So EMI for all the 60 months remains same, right? So that I'll just lock this and take it for all the 60 months. I'll just drag this for all 60 months. So this it has taken for 10. I'll just drag this up to 60. Yeah. Now we will calculate interest that we are paying for the first month. And see, you know that we are paying 21,247 EMI. So this amount comprises of two components. So in this amount we have interest and principal repayment. So that we will calculate now. How we calculate interest? So the loan amount in the beginning of the month and monthly interest rate, that is this one. So I will lock this interest because interest rate, because that we are taking for the all 60 months. So how much we are paying interest here? 8,333 out of 21,247. So remaining will go to principal repayment. So out of 21,247, we are paying 8,333 towards interest, and remaining 12,914 rupees paid towards principal repayment. Now at the end of the month, what is the principal amount left out? So out of 10 lakhs, we have paid 12,914 rupees. So that you remove. So you'll get 9,87,086 rupees. It means at the end of the month, we have principal balance 9,87,086 rupees. So first month balance, whatever it is here at the end, so that becomes what the beginning balance for the next month. So that I'll just take this. So now what I'll do, I'll just drag this for all these 60 months. That is balance of loan in the beginning of the month. And now I'll just, this also I'll drag because automatically it will calculate. I'll just drag this for all 60 months. Okay. You just see here. So this is how we prepare EMI schedule for any loan, right? I'll just go to the 60th month. You see 60th month we are paying EMI of how much? Same 21,247. Out of this we are paying 176 rupees interest and remaining 21,071 towards principal. So that makes this loan nil. Means we there is no principal amount balance after 60th month. So this is how we calculate EMI schedule for any loan. So another important thing is here, you can just change any of these parameters like loan amount, you can increase or decrease, interest rate you can increase or decrease, or loan period you can increase or decrease. Then you see the change of this impact on EMI and EMI schedule. For example, I want 15 lakh instead of 10 lakhs. Then you see your EMI for the same interest rate is 31,871. The time period remains same here, 60 months, that is 5 years. And now you see what will be the EMI schedule. So that also changes automatically because we have just linked these parameters in this particular schedule so that all the variables automatically change. If you want to change interest rate from 10% to 12%, then you see the impact. Automatically your EMI will change and so is EMI schedule. You see here. Go to last month and see. So the principal amount, that is 0 at the end of 60th month. Also you can change time period and see instead of 5 years if you put 7 years here, then how things will change, you see. So your EMI is now 26,479 and schedule also automatically change. So it is showing first up to 60th months it is showing, then remaining it will just show. You have to just drag, automatically you will get. I hope so. Up to here, 84 months. You see. Now you see. Yeah. So I think you just understood how to calculate EMI and also how to prepare EMI schedule for your loan, right? You can just cross verify with the amounts what your bank is giving for your personal loan or housing loan and all, and you can just have a keep record of all this. So thank you so much and have a good day.